Isa na namang kababayan natin guys ang nag-conquer ng international stage. Saka tatapos nga lang na The Voice USA, di ba? Guess what guys, kung sino ang nanalo? None other than Sofronio Vasquez. Matagal-tagal na nating nakikita or naririnig ang pangalang Sofronio Vasquez from The Voice Philippines pa lang, nasa ABS-CBN pa, and even sa tawag ng tanghalan ng It Showtime. Pero, di ba, this time, umabor na talaga yung tadhana sa kanya. Nung pinerform niya ang A Million Dreams during the Voice finale, napawaw tayong lahat. At ito yung naging way para maiuwi niya ang kampyonato bilang The Voice Season 26 na champion or winner. And for today's video guys, silipin natin ang final performance ni Sofronio sa The Voice USA. Without further ado guys, samahan nyo ako at panoorin natin to. Let's go! A Million Dreams yung kanyang pinerform dito. Pakinggan na natin.
Close my eyes and I can see a world that's waiting up for me that I call my own.
Shucks! Lamig!
Through the dark, through the door, through where no one's been before, but it feels
mukhang emotional din to guys ha.
They can say it all sounds crazy. They can say I've lost my mind.
Ang chill niya pero nanlalaban yung emotion.
I don't care if they call me crazy. Run away to the world we desire.
Nabother lang ako sa ano. Kala ko naputol yung paa.
Every night I lie in bed.
Grabe!
Feel my head. A million dreams are keeping me away.
Angas ng kanyang storytelling sa kantang to ha.
Vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However small.
Pag ano na rin boses niya, grabe yung dynamics. Huy, love it.
Your dreams for me. We may be right, we may be wrong. Let's say you bring me to the world you see. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes.
Makaka-speechless yung performance niyang to. Uy, 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 uy. Oh, di mo kaya.
A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision
Shucks!
I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take.
Hindi siya belter, pero dinadaan niya sa storytelling at yung emotion. Bumagay talaga sa kanya yung song na to. Ang galing yung boses, performance niya. Literal na kinonquer niya yung stage. Wow.
For the world we're gonna make.
Ooh. That's it. The Voice. Galing ni Sofronio dito. Pati ako naiiyak. Tama nga yung sinabi ni Sir Ray Valera during the TNT. Kung hindi man para kay Sofronio, yung TNT stage, mas may malaking stage yung naghihintay sa kanya. And eto yun, yung kanyang The Voice Season 26 sa USA. Kumbaga, hindi rejection yung nangyari sa kanya. Parang redirection siya into a more and massive opportunity. Patunay ito sa lahat ng mga Pilipino na kino-conquer pa din or nahanap yung kanilang karera na sobrang daming mga rejections na nare-receive natin. Pero I know, maniniwala pa rin tayo na darating yung panahon na yung mga rejections na yon magiging worth it. Kasi mapupunta tayo at makakarating tayo sa pinapangarap natin stage, diba? And grabe yung performance ni Sofronia. Deserve niya talaga yung pagkapanalo niya dito, diba? Tinaan tayo sa emotion at storytelling talaga ni Sofronia. And I think yun yung nakakuha ng puso kasi very authentic yung kanyang pagkukwento. Kayo guys, napanood nyo na ba itong performance ni Sofronia Vasquez sa The Voice finale? Ano guys yung masasabi nyo? Let me know in the comment section. Syempre kung hindi ka pa rin nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget guys to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na i-upload ko pa. This has been CJ guys, your man of letters. Stay safe and stay motivated. Thank you for watching everyone. Bye!